jade stone heads. There's 15 of these heads here, and inside the jade bulbs there are helium bulbs, and these helium bulbs emit infrared rays, and they penetrate the body about between 4 and 7 centimeters, so you get a real deep heat treatment. This particular unit you can put anywhere on your body. If you've got a sore shoulder, sore knee, sore stomach, so you're free to put it onto your body. And it's the same with this one as well. Inside the bed, there is a 15, there's 5 more of these here, 5 more here, 5 here and 5 here. So you've got the legs and for the back. And if you see when I put the machine on, it goes up and down, it moves up and down. And what that does is it flexes the vertebrae in your spine, so you're getting flexibility. And also, if you can imagine, your body weight is lying on top of these nodes. That's like thumbing their thumbs into your back, and you get the massage there. So you get a combination of these treatments, and you can adjust the pressures on the machine between 40 to 70 degrees centigrade. And there are 7 different programs you can use, from different parts of the back to your stomach and your feet. So you've got a full range, and they vary between 15 minutes to 40 minutes long. Okay, this is right here. And you can see here the jade heads.
Very good. It's very
And as you can see, it goes up and down.
It's really good.
You have
And it runs on a belt. There's a belt here. There's a motor here. So it's quite a simple device. You just occasionally got to make sure the belt in here is, you can see here, there's a belt. And you just got to make sure, like a car belt, the tension is good tension. There's not really that much can go wrong. Sometimes the bulbs might go, and you just unscrew these points and just put a new bulb. It's like a car bulb inside. And it's the same with the points at the back. So because it's quite a simple device, it's quite reliable. There's not much to go wrong, basically. When you sell to the customer, you tell them that make sure the heads are at the starting point rather than here, and they suddenly sit right, they can damage it. So make sure that they know to always have it here. That's it. It combines 5 different points. It combines acupressure, acupuncture, massage, heat therapy, and chiropractic. With acupressure, it's the acupressure and acupuncture combine around the meridians on the person's back. With the acupressure, it's somebody pushing their thumbs up and down, you can imagine. The acupuncture, instead of using needles, it's using infrared rays to penetrate those pressure points in the meridians. The heat therapy is also the heat in the stone heads. The massage is the physical pressure on the muscles, as you can imagine somebody massaging somebody's muscles. And the last one is chiropractic, and that as the heads move up and down, they flex the vertebrae in the spine, and that's when you've got those different combination of treatments. So it's a kind of a combination of all 5 in one. These are the connections. They're all self-labeled. This is your power connector that goes to the power point. This one here, it goes to the remote control. This one here is for the main 15 jade head on there. This one here is for the 2-way jade, and this just connects the 2 mattresses. So it's press run here. That's the temperature that the heads are set at, and P1 is the program. This is program 1. Now you can adjust the temperature of the heads in the bed with these 2 buttons. At the moment the temperature is 30 degrees, and it will gradually rise to 50 as a standard. Now if I want to lower the temperature, I just press this, and it goes down in 5-degree increments, so it's now at 40, that's the lowest setting. If I want to bring it back up, press the plus button, 40, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, just the maximum temperature. That, as I say, is for the heads in the bed. For the external heads, like this one, you can adjust these with this button here, temperature here. It's got sub here. Just now it's set at 50. I can set it up to 55, which is the maximum for the external heads. 50, 45, and 40. And you can switch this on and off here. Now P1, it's got on the back what all the programs are. P1, overall massage. P2, dorsal massage. P3, lumbar massage. P4, finger pressure. P5, basic massage. And P6, abdomen massage. The first 6 are all automatic. Mode 7 is the manual massage, which you control. If I put it onto mode 7, which is manual, you see it says P7. Now with P7, if you look on the heads here, they don't move. What you have to do is, the person adjusts it with these two. So if I want it to go down or up, the head goes up. If I want it to go down, it goes down. So it's completely manual. The ones for the legs, they continue to be automatic, but the ones here is controlled by the user. So you just up, down. So you can make it go up and down in the full range of the bed, either at the bottom or at the head. That's your manual mode. Mode 6 is another special one. Mode 6 is for the stomach. And what I'd recommend is when you have somebody try mode 6, that they position themselves so that the heads don't hit the bottom of the rib cage. So make sure that they're higher enough on the bed so that they don't get sore ribs. So that's a 15-minute one for the stomach. And you also have pause buttons if the person wants to have a rest or go and have a cup of tea. You can just press the pause, and that pauses it. This is the pause for the upper heads, and this is the pause for the heads for the legs. And, this is the mode button here. You can switch to the different modes here. Whenever you want to have the heads go back to the start, just switch mode. So just now in P1, you can just switch to P2, and the heads will always go back to the start position. And when a program is finished, the machine sounds a beep beep saying that the program is finished. And that's the controls.